Hi, how you doing? Hope you're well, hope you're safe. On the menu today, we're going to do the Chinese or Asian style fried fish, whole fish. Well, when I say whole fish, I've had to take the head off because it wouldn't fit in my pan. Bit of a whopper, that is. I'm using sea bass. You can use any fish you want. We've got a really salty, sweet sauce with lots of ginger and garlic. Let's go and take a look at what we need to make this beautiful fish. Okay, so let's take a look at our fish. So I'm using sea bass. You could be using a different fish if you want. Now, this first of all has been cleaned. I didn't do it, it was done by my fishmonger. What he's done is he's taken the guts out and cleaned inside. The head was on, but I've taken it off because it won't fit in my pan. And all of the sharp fins on the bottom and the top have been taken off, and it's been descaled. Now what I've done, like I said, I took the head off because it won't go in my pan. This is, you know, quite big, it's that big. Is I've cut it. I don't know if you can see that in there, but I've cut it very close together. If I lift it out like that, you'll see. So there's quite a lot of close cuts in that, just there. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to get some salt on it. We're going to do both sides. And then we're going to go to the cooker and we're going to fry this off. So I've got here about 2 to 3 centimeters of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil, corn oil or something like that will also work. There's our fish, which we've salted. What we're going to do is we're going to drop this in. And as you can see, without the head, it just fits. And we're going to go for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Only turn it once. Okay, off goes the heat. That's going to come out now, and we're going to reduce that oil down 90%. Okay, so in the same pan, as you can see, I've reduced that oil down a lot. Just a little touch in there now. Now that's got some lovely flavours in it from cooking the fish. We're now going to start adding some other ingredients. So, ginger, chopped garlic, red chillies. Now, all of the amounts are going to be in the text below. Now, with my red chillies, I've kept them whole, as you can see. If you want, you can chop them. This is very, very easy what we're about to do. This just needs a few seconds to do its thing. While I'm here, I'm going to add some black pepper. We're certainly not going to be adding any salt because we've got plenty of salt on the fish. And we're about to add some very salty ingredients. Perfect, that's great, just there. So, soy sauce. Now, I've got a light soy, in it goes. Fish sauce, which is very salty. Little bit of oyster sauce, not too much at all. Like I say, all of the amounts in the text below. And then some ketchup. Now I'm using ketchup. If you want, you could be using some sugar, some brown sugar or white sugar. Want to kind of get some sweetness in there. And we're going to cook this on a kind of, you know, a medium heat. Just give us 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Wonderful stuff. Okay, let's grab our beautiful fish, get it back in there, and then start spooning this lovely sweet and salty sauce all over it for about 3 or 4 minutes. We can flip it over if you want. But yeah, drench it in this for a few minutes, then I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, on a serving plate, poured the sauce over, finished it off with a few green onions. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.